Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how to remove these drawers and reinstall them. Unihopper drawers. If you don't know how, it can get really crazy. It drove me nuts to figure out how to remove these drawers, but not so much to remove them, more to put them back. So the first thing to remove the drawer, which is pretty easy, is that you just firmly grab it and lift up. And it pops right out. However, to reinstall them, because they have these little clips right here, a lot of people try to reinstall them the same way they remove them, but you don't. You just lay the drawer on there, and then you grab on the back here, you will see that there is a clip. And I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to have to move the camera. And right there is that track. You can see it. And all I'm going to do is now push it until it clicks. And once it clicks, it's in. And you have to do each side like that. So I'm just going to push my hand. You can feel it and you have to apply pressure. And you hear that click. And that's the end of it. And now it's in. And that's all it's required to remove and install. Now I'm going to do it one more time for you so you clearly see how it's done. And these are soft closing. So to remove, 2 hands, just grab and lift up. Okay? And you take your drawer out. To reinstall it, just lay it on the track and then push the track in until you hear the click. You put your hand behind the drawer, you grab the track and push it in. Click. And you can give it a little push. And that's it. Bingo, done. I hope I helped a lot of people with this one. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, like, thumbs up, hit the bell so you get new videos as I continue making them. Thanks for watching.